As you can see, I have already rotated my labels for each of the full stations and added projection lines from the center line. And I just put them at an arbitrary distance, which is the same as the lowest distance of the road. Now, we need to go ahead and copy these labels. So I'm just going to use a crossing window. If you can't tell, it is my favorite one. Copy. And go right there. I want to be in ortho mode. Right about there. Instead of drawing lines, we're just going to use our projection line. If you had read the book, chapter 15, she said to draw lines. We're actually going to extend this. Oh, take the ortho off. Like that. Go ahead and stretch that. So now we need to make determinations of what all of the elevations are of this existing ground at each one. Now, the reason to have all of these down here is so that we can keep track on our spreadsheet. Because this is what our spreadsheet looks like. And you can see that we need to put the projection line stations in here. They're not really the real ones. 10 plus 0, 0. We already know that elevation. This one we don't know. And we've got I'm using Alt-Tab to easily get between my programs, by the way. You can see I'm going past where I originally thought I would. So now I know that this is really down there. Double click that little fill handle and it fills all the way down. Okay, so it says here that I need to read the profile and interpolate on the plan. So first let's read the profile. We know that it starts at 122.4 because that's what the instructions told us. And I'm just going to draw a sort of generic line. I'm in ortho mode. I'm just going to make it go kind of. I'm just going to keep. I'm going to get out of ortho mode. And I'm just going to. So that I can read this. All right, 22.1235. And I know if that's 3.5, then that is probably 275. So if that was, this is 22.25. Already off. I'm off. That should be 1900. And here we are at the end. Delete those.